When we hear spiritual, many think of gurus and teachings from the East. But what if I told you that your spiritual life is here, in these very moments? Today, let's unveil the secret. Living your spiritual life is simpler than you imagine. We all seek authenticity, but sometimes the path seems unclear, like searching for a star in a cloudy sky. Let's explore how simplicity can guide us to our true selves. Your spiritual life isn't hidden in distant lands or complex rituals. It's right where you are. When you connect with the present moment, you touch your spirituality. Your home, your work, your relationships, they can all be sanctuaries of spirit. Let me share my own journey. Life as a coach and writer keeps me busy, but I find moments of spirituality in daily life. When writing, I feel a flow of creativity. In walks, in nature, I find stillness. Each day holds new opportunities for spiritual connection. You might think, I wish life were simpler, but life doesn't need to change. You just need to see it differently. With this new vision, your spiritual life will flourish. Your worries may seem overwhelming, but they fade when you look within. You have immense power. You can shape your spiritual life with small changes, big dreams. Here's how. No. 1. Tune into animals and plants. They mirror life's rhythm. Nurturing a plant brings you closer to nature's cycles. A pet's unconditional love reminds you of life's beauty. Connect with these companions. They teach you about giving and receiving love. As you observe their habits and routines, you might find a sense of calm. Feeling connected to the natural world through these beings, you'll start feeling more connected to yourself as well. Their existence is a constant reminder of life's natural rhythms, helping you find balance in your days. Number 2, tune into mindful eating. Pause and savor each bite. Notice flavors and textures. This isn't just food. It's nourishment for your body and soul. Express gratitude for the food on your plate. Say a silent thank you to the earth, the water, the air, and the hands that brought it to you. Mindful eating isn't about diets. It's about connecting with the source of your nourishment. Every meal becomes a ritual of gratitude. It's about listening to your body's needs, choosing foods that truly nourish, and appreciating the energy that sustains you. By doing so, you honor the sacredness of life that flows through all of us. Number 3, use music as a tool. Music is a universal language of the soul. Choose songs that resonate with your energy, whether it's drums that echo ancient rhythms, mantras that chant wisdom, or birdsong that harmonizes with nature. Even silence can be music. Let sounds uplift your spirit and bring you joy. Playing or simply listening to uplifting music can shift your mood. Create playlists that inspire you during work breaks or workouts. Use music to set the tone for a positive, energized day. Let the melodies take you on a journey of self-discovery and emotional healing. Number 4, go on walks in nature. Let nature be your teacher. A walk in the woods, a moment by the sea, or even city streets hold magic. Feel the sun, the wind, the changing seasons. These are life's rhythms. When walking, notice the wind's touch on your skin, the sun's warmth on your face, the sound of leaves rustling overhead. This is meditation in motion. Nature is a constant reminder of life's natural rhythms, helping you find balance in your days. Number 5, establish simple rituals. Small daily rituals can anchor you to the present. Journaling, yoga, stretching, even a favorite scent. Consistency brings peace. Start your day with a ritual that uplifts you. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Watch the sunrise or moon. Do a quick meditation. Consistency makes these rituals powerful. They become touchstones, grounding you and boosting your mood. Keep a gratitude journal. Each entry boosts your happiness. Set an early morning alarm to watch the sunrise. Commit to a 5-minute guided meditation daily. Rituals aren't about strict rules. They're about finding comfort in the familiar. In the routine, you'll discover a sense of stability and joy that enriches your spiritual life. And new, 6, practice conscious breathing. Breathing connects you to the present. Notice your breath for just 2 minutes. Inhale deeply, feeling your belly rise. Exhale, slowly releasing tension. This breath work anchors you. Deep breathing calms anxiety and boosts energy. Just 2 minutes daily can transform your mood. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling your stomach expand. Then exhale slowly. This practice brings clarity and tranquility. It's like a mini meditation, refreshing your mind and spirit. Embracing simplicity means letting go of the belief that spirituality is complicated. It's not about seeking perfection. It's about progress. Remember, every step counts, so don't wait for the perfect timing. Start now, even with just one small action. Your spiritual journey is unique. There's no right path. Trust your intuition. If something resonates, embrace it. If it doesn't, let it go. Your spiritual life is a personal voyage, not a destination. It's about aligning with what feels right for you. Embrace the power of the simple. Your spiritual life is not a distant dream. It's woven into the fabric of your everyday existence. In the gentle rustle of leaves, in the warmth of the sun on your skin, in the laughter of loved ones, and in the very breath that sustains you. Your connection to the divine is always present, waiting for you to tune in. In our hyper-connected world, we often find ourselves pulled in a million directions. Emails, messages, notifications, constantly vying for our attention. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, disconnected from ourselves and the world around us. This digital deluge can leave us craving a simpler time, a deeper connection to life's essence. But what if I told you that the spiritual life you're seeking is not somewhere far off, but right here in the midst of this busyness? Picture this. You're at a bustling marketplace. Amidst the vibrant chaos, you spot a tranquil oasis, a small garden filled with lush greenery, and the soothing sound of flowing water. Drawn to its serenity, you step inside and suddenly you feel a sense of calm wash over you. The worries of the crowded market fade into the background as you immerse yourself in the peaceful ambiance of the garden. This garden symbolizes your inner sanctuary, a place of peace and connection amidst the daily hustle. Nurturing this inner garden is essential for your spiritual growth. But how can you tend to your spiritual life amidst a busy schedule? The answer lies in embracing simplicity. Simplicity is not about deprivation or settling for less. It's about prioritizing what truly matters, about making conscious choices that align with your values and bring you joy. It's about recognizing that true fulfillment doesn't come from chasing endless distractions, but from nurturing the richness of the present moment. Think of a cluttered room. When surrounded by disorder, do you find peace? Probably not. Similarly, our minds need clarity to find tranquility. Decluttering our surroundings helps declutter our thoughts. By simplifying your environment, you create space for clarity, allowing your spiritual essence to shine through. For instance, start your day with intention. Instead of diving straight into your inbox, take a few moments for yourself. Let the morning light touch your face, stretch your body, breathe deeply. These moments, though small, are significant. They set the tone for the rest of your day, infusing it with intention and mindfulness. Throughout the day, be selective with your time. Not every notification demands immediate attention. Designate specific times to check emails and messages rather than letting them disrupt your flow. This way, you regain control of your time, ensuring that you allocate it to what truly matters. In the digital age, it's easy to get lost in the virtual world. Social media, streaming services, and online shopping offer endless distractions. But these can also drain your energy and divert your attention from your spiritual path. Instead, make a conscious choice to disconnect regularly, whether it's during meals, walks, or before bedtime. Establish tech-free zones and times to nurture your connection with the present moment. Remember, spirituality is not about rigid rules or sacrifices. It's about finding joy and meaning in the journey. It's about recognizing the sacredness of life in every breath, every interaction, and every moment of stillness. It's about aligning your actions with your values, embracing vulnerability, practicing forgiveness, and extending kindness to yourself and others. Your spiritual life is a reflection of your inner world, shaped by the thoughts you choose to dwell upon. Embrace positivity, for it acts as a magnet, drawing more positive experiences into your life. Gratitude is a powerful ally on this journey. Nurture a daily practice of acknowledging the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. This simple act can shift your perspective, allowing you to see the abundance that surrounds you. In the tapestry of life, challenges and setbacks are inevitable. They are the threads that, though tough to confront, add strength and resilience to the fabric of your journey. When faced with adversity, remember that you are not alone. Reach out to your support system, to friends, family, or even professionals who can lend a helping hand. Your struggles do not diminish your worth. Instead, they offer opportunities for growth, reminding you of your inner strength and capacity to heal. Your spiritual life is a treasure to be cherished, nurtured, and celebrated. It is a source of strength, guidance, and solace in the tapestry of your existence. May this journey of simplicity and mindfulness lead you to a deeper connection with yourself, with others, and with the divine essence that resides within you. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploration and self-discovery. If this video resonated with you, I invite you to give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might find value in it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that nurtures your spiritual growth and personal development.